Hey guys, we are just day away for the official unveiling of Huawei Mate 20 family. Tomorrow, Huawei is going to launch Huawei Mate 20, Mate 20 Pro and Mate 20X, and today we are going to talk about Huawei Mate 20X as well as its stylus. Yep, you heard that right, stylus on a Huawei phone. And the unboxing video of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro also got leaked, but after some time user deleted that video. But I saw that video and I have enough information to share with you. So yesterday the photo was leaked which shows one of the Huawei Mate 20 phones will have a stylus. The pictures seem to be from an official document but were originally taken in a Huawei store. As you can see in the image, here are three phones placed under the Mate 20 stand. Two which stand side by side, which I think are the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro, while on the right here is a much larger phone, that is the Mate 20X with a 7.2 inch screen as we heard in our previous video. We don't have the actual front look of the Huawei Mate 20X, but recently the live images has been surfaced which are said to be the pictures of the Huawei Mate 20X, but I don't think so. According to my theory, the Mate 20X will have almost similar look as of the Mate 20 Pro. According to Huawei's official teaser, the Mate 20X will be designed for gamers and it will have a better cooling system as well as a bigger battery. And now we have a confirmation that Huawei Mate 20X will have a 7.2 inch OLED screen as well as a massive 5000 mAh battery. And yep, stylus support as well. No doubt Samsung is a king of stylus with its Galaxy Note phones and no manufacturer has been able to take the crown from it, but seems like Huawei want to make an attempt with its Mate 20X. As you can see, the stylus is standalone, I mean it will not in the Mate 20X, and we not have information that it will place in the Mate 20X or not. And we also have no idea what features Huawei has added to the Mate 20X with respect to stylus support. So yeah, that's all on the Huawei Mate 20X. Now let's talk about unboxing of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, in which he get the 40-watt charger as well as a cable for charging and some other stuff. And yeah, he also got the Huawei Mate 20 Pro in twilight color. As you can see, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro with a very slim bezels at all, as well as the chain is also slim here, and it has that notch for 3D Face ID. He didn't say anything about Face ID, but he tested out the in-display fingerprint scanner of the Mate 20 Pro, and that is actually very fast. And here's also a poster of Huawei Mate 20 series which further confirms previous rumors, and the main selling feature of the Mate 20 are 7nm flagship chipset, that is the Kirin 980 processor, super wide angle lens, support for super macro shorting, and 40-watt super fast charging. So yeah, that's all on the Huawei Mate 20X and Mate 20 Pro. Let me know which one is your favorite, Mate 20X or Mate 20 Pro, and what features you expect from the stylus of Mate 20X. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on this channel, make sure to subscribe for more upcoming daily tech videos. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.